Let's talk about brake squeal. It's a nightmare, I get it, but there are ways to reduce or even eliminate it. So let's look at EBC as an example. The first thing you want to consider is, are you using the right pad for your application? It is really simple. If you're spending a lot of time on track, then go for something like the blue stuff. But if you're going to take that pad and you're just going to go down to the shops more regularly, then it's probably is going to start to squeal. There, I said it, it happens. Just make sure you're matching the right pad up. And we've done a video talking about just that. The other thing that is included with all EBC road pads is the anti-squeal shim. And that is simply just going to add a little level of dampening to the back of the pad there to reduce vibration between the pad and the rotor. So there we have it really. Squeal, it kind of goes away after a little while. Make sure you're following all of the procedures that EBC tell you about with each pad and make sure you're using the right pad for the job.